Students, we are going to discuss exercise 10C, sum and product of roots. Suppose we have one quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is given. Then how can we find out sum and product of its root? Suppose we have two roots. You know very well, you have studied in class 10th about nature of roots. Each quadratic equation has only two roots. So suppose we have alpha and beta. We are taking here alpha and beta are the roots of this given equation. So sum of roots will be minus b over a. Minus b over a mean minus coefficient of x. We have coefficient of x is b over coefficient of x square, that is a. And next one result is alpha into beta, that mean product of roots. So product of roots is equal to constant term. We have constant term is c over coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x square is a. So mainly these are two results. And third one result is formation of equation. Suppose you have two roots are given, and how can you roots are given and sum of roots and product of roots are given, then how can you make a new equation? By taking this identity x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. This one is the equation, the new formation of equation if sum of roots and product of root is given. So now I am going to solve question number 7. Question number 7 of your exercise 10C. If alpha and beta are the roots of this given equation, we have given equation is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, equation number 1. And it is also given alpha and beta are roots of this equation. Since alpha and beta are the roots of given equation number 1, it is given. Now we will find out sum of roots. Sum of roots mean alpha plus beta by taking its as a formula minus coefficient of x. We have coefficient of x is p, coefficient of x square. Now coefficient of x square is 1, so it will be minus p. And product of roots, constant term over coefficient of x square. We have constant term is q over coefficient of x square is 1, so it is q. So according to statement, its a part is alpha cube beta plus alpha into beta cube. We will find out alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube by taking alpha and beta common from this equation. We will get alpha square plus beta square, and we don't know the formula of alpha square plus beta square. Now in rough work you will find out its formula. You know very well, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. From this you can find out the value of a square plus b square, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now this is, compare these two things. We have formula of alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2ab mean minus 2 alpha beta. So now substitute the value of alpha into beta. We have alpha into beta is q, alpha plus beta is minus p. So substitute their values and you will get the answer, that is q into p square minus 2q. Similarly for its b part, alpha raised to power 4 plus alpha square plus beta raised to power 4. Now alpha raised to power 4 plus beta raised to power 4. Can we write these two things as alpha square into square? For which purpose? We are writing these two things in this way for making identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now 2ab, for 2ab we will subtract and add 2 alpha square into beta square. जो हमें फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए जो टर्म मिसिंग है, हम खुद से उसको अगर ऐड कर रहे हैं तो सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करेंगे. सो फॉर अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर बीटा स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर बीटा स्क्वायर माइनस 2 अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर बीटा स्क्वायर, and this one term alpha square beta square as it is. Now this one is a square b square plus 2ab. It is equal to a plus b whole square, and this one will be combine their square, alpha into beta whole square. Now again this thing same like first part, you will again make here one property and find out the value of a square plus b square. Similarly in this question you will get same thing like in previous question, and after this substitute their values, substitute the value of alpha plus beta into or alpha into beta, and you will get your respective answer.